Assalamu alaikum class 7. Hopefully you all are doing very good. Class 7, this is your English class. I'm your English teacher. Today we are going to discuss present indefinite tense, as we have discussed this topic in your online classes as well. Today we are going to repeat it for your better understanding. So we are starting with the definition, then we'll discuss the sentence structure, and at the last we will discuss the examples as well. So let's start with the definition. Dear students, present indefinite tense is used to describe an action that is either happening right now or that happens regularly or routinely. Recall all the things which people do on the regular basis. We eat daily, we drink daily, we go to sleep daily, we wake up early daily, we wake up daily, not early. So there are some other actions which happens on the regular basis. Sun rises from the east daily, sun set at the west daily, and all the example which you people used to do on the daily basis, or another thing which you people are doing right now, that example will also be considered in the present indefinite tense. So let's start discussing the structure of the sentence, then we will discuss the examples. Structure. Affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences are positive sentences. How we'll make an affirmative sentence of present indefinite tense? First of all, subject will be there at the start, then first form of verb. Keep in mind, with the third person singular, he, she, it, or singular noun, we will add s or es, and at the last, object will be there. How we'll make negative sentences? At the very start, subject will be there, then do, does, then not, then first form of verb, and then object. Keep in mind, when we will add do, does in negative sentences, so we will not add ses with third person singular. Okay, first form will be first form only. Interrogative sentences are question sentences. So how we'll make them? Do, does at the start, then subject, then first form of verb, then object. Okay, so let's start discussing the examples. वो हर रोज सैर को जाता है. These are the examples which we are going to discuss. These are the example of affirmative sentences. वो हर रोज सैर को जाता है. He goes to walk daily. Goes. Keep in mind goes. Why goes? Because he is third person singular. So we have added what? Es with go. First form of verb is go. We have added es because he is third person singular, and we have discussed we will add s or es with third person singular. हम शाम को हॉकी खेलते हैं. We play hockey in the evening. We is not third person singular, so we will not add s or es. We play hockey in the evening. वो कुआं खोदते हैं. They dig the well. They is a plural noun, so that's why we were not adding s or es. वो पौधों को पानी देता है. He waters the plants. Waters why? Because only one person is giving water to the plants, not more than one. Okay, मैं अपने दांत साफ करता हूँ. I brush my teeth. Okay, I is first person singular, so we will not add s or es with I also. हम हर रोज अखबार पढ़ते हैं. We read the newspaper daily. It's a habitual action. How will change these sentences into negative? वो हर रोज सैर को नहीं जाता है. Keep in mind, in affirmative sentences, people make a sentence, he goes to walk daily. Now here goes will not be goes will be go. वो हर रोज सैर को नहीं जाता है. He does not go to walk daily. Does not goes is wrong. He does not go to walk daily. हम शाम को हॉकी नहीं खेलते हैं. We do not play hockey in the evening. With he, she, it and singular noun, does will be there, and with I, we and plural noun, do. Okay, singular noun he, she, it, third person does, plural noun and first person do. वो कुआं नहीं खोदते हैं. They do not dig the well. वो पौधों को पानी नहीं देता है. He does not water the plants. मैं अपने दांत साफ नहीं करता हूँ. I do not brush my teeth. I do not. Okay, not does. Does is wrong. हम हर रोज अखबार नहीं पढ़ते हैं. We do not read the newspaper daily. Now it's the time to discuss interrogative sentences. क्या वो हर रोज सैर को जाता है? Does he go to walk daily? And at the last what? Question mark. क्या हम शाम को हॉकी खेलते हैं? Do we play the hockey in the evening? And at the last question mark. क्या वो कुआं खोदते हैं? Do they dig the well? Question mark. क्या वो पौधों को पानी देता है? Does he water the plants? Question mark. क्या मैं अपने दांत साफ करता हूँ? Do I brush my teeth? Question mark. क्या हम हर रोज अखबार पढ़ते हैं? Do we read the newspaper daily? Question mark. So students, this is present indefinite tense. Hopefully you people have understood. Thank you.